Promark is continuously investing in the newest state-of-the-art technology in our business, as well as emerging technologies that can help support our business. Customers will come, and when they see some of the innovation practices that we're doing, they're already excited to start a partnership together because they see the potential of what's possible and how that applies to them. They say, well, if they can do that on their own, what could they do with our product? How could they help us evolve the way we build our products to make us both better?
Innovation, I think that's part of our DNA, always looking to be on the leading edge of what we know works.
We push innovation in our business by really listening to our people and also being really in touch with what's going on in the markets, what's going on around the world, but also different other industries and what they're doing, and seeing how we can take that and apply it to our business. We have internal partners, so we have our engineering teams, production teams, as well as external partners, such as educational institutions, experts in different pieces of technology, government programs, and really, when you bring all of those partnerships together, you get high levels of engagement from everyone, which really drives the projects forward.
We're investing heavily in technology, in robotics, in different types of manufacturing cells.
Whether it's fully automated cutting, stripping, crimping equipment, inkjet marking systems, ultrasonic welding systems, we're really always looking for that newest technology to give us that edge, but to also show that as a business, innovation is at our core.